Hi guys, we are back to the diff command and then we have different. Let me summarize with the diff. So we have diff with the R1. I want to do comparison in two files. So R1 PD checks and R1 their post. So we have this is the difference file. We can do this comparison side by side. File, then we can define width of 120, 130 and you have this difference. If you use 130, that's the default one. It's going to be defined according to your configuration file having more than enough one file. This width going to be more wider. So that's all. That's nothing. You can go for the 200 also. So this width going to be wider. This width value. Plus 120 is the standard. That's any walk no can capture. So this depend upon your configuration how lengthy you have line. So you can compare with if there is nothing mark over here. So if there is nothing symbol greater than less than and there's three symbol to understand that we have greater than sorry less than greater than and then pipe. This shows that replace what configuration you had earlier replace with the new configuration. Whereas for less than what subtracted from your and greater than what new addition happened in you. Okay, so here you can see that you have if there is no symbol, there is no symbol apart from this, there is blank means there is nothing, this is identical. So all are identical. You can see this is replaced means we have this many bits earlier, that's replaced with this bit. Now there is no change, identical. You have only changed this means less than means from the new configuration is removed. That's a very simple. Now you can want to see only the thing which has no identical configuration. You remove the identical configuration. For that, it is called suppress common line. Suppress common line. So you have the either greater than, less than, and okay. Clear, guys? Understand? Now for color diffuse, this is going to be shown with the different colors. That's going to make the more. You can install the color diff command. You have to install what if it's not installed, and then can use R1. Then go R1 with the. So you can see the color difference means both the things here. It's only the one color they given. It's a little tough to identify to the R1 first pre or post. So your pre is showing in red while the post is green. So these things earlier it was removed, and you can explore this with the same side by side profile. I'm not going to give width, they're going to take default width by default, or you can define your width. This is the thing. The color symbol they give you, the white color is shows that there is no identical configuration. If the configuration is pipe means what is replaced, this is given in the blue beautiful color, and identical in white means should not care about the white. Red means it's a removed, and then you have green one. Suppose you have added some, you can see the different colors. That let me change few things. I want to intensely go to R R1, the config of router 1 as a replaced one again, then add something, add anything because not about the configuration. Lookup, happy domain, and then added G. Just given for the sake of want to see the output. Okay. Now let's do pair of diff. So what I'm going to changing. Stop showing in color. Is supposed to red. They are not showing. They are giving the symbol by but error. Added one greater than, removed one. What happened? I think I need to reboot the system. Guys, do you understand what I want to show?
Yeah.
So there is something. I think I have to reboot my system, and because this shows in, as you can see earlier, it's showing in color. You're going to see beautiful color in differences. Green in, yes, red. Open the different terminal. So you guys can also check this in two file you make different. Or one. Okay, you can see the differences. You have host name or host name change. You have added greater than, the greater than you have added then only master. This is removed. No, and no new line as the in. Now diff. Now it's showing. See, system sometime hang, man. You have to, okay, you have to reboot your system. So I did not reboot, but now it's working. So you can see all the greater than, it's in green, and then less than, which is removed in red, and those who are similar replace, that's showing n. The green symbol, this is replaced with the same, but you see that the side by comparison is going to be not showing ah in the proper way. I have to reboot like the common diff. Error diff is okay, guys. You understand by this? I'm okay to diff. We're going to continue with the git diff command. Just want to show you the same command here. You guys can export the file that we have. CD or initial study, right? State. So suppose you have the git log. So you no need to give them, no need to give your the file commitment. What you have untracked and the stage one, they will compare with that. Suppose what I want here, suppose I have this file and I'm going to add something here like the copy content, or you want to variable define, or you want to do debug. Let's give the name. Now so to have find the variable output. Okay. Now you find, okay, you have done the addition, and this is status check. You have unstaged modified content. You want to do git diff from here, any level you can. Yes, git diff, just enter what they're going to give you here. You understand, they are telling we are doing the differentiate the first file ansible this, which is a committed one, and the same file with the b label means the uncommitted file. They have 3 lines less. Less means they don't have this 3 line in this file, where you have added 3 line. Now what are the things they have, what you have added? You have added command. Okay, why they are giving where to edit, where to edit? So you can see this is the 4 line extra they are showing you from where you have added, you have given the space. Okay, then these lines you have added. So we're going to discuss what doing by this symbol, from where they are telling the subtracted from -21 means the 21st line of the A file having 4th additions, where we have addition after the 21 line. Of course, addition after this because same content we have after that addition. So we will see and we will explore this next class how the diff is work, and there in git diff we should can compare stage, unstaged, tracked, untracked, all the different. before going for commit. Clear guys, somewhere what are we going to do?
Yeah.
So I'm going to stop here because class extended. Okay, so next class we will see you with the Ansible deployment part, because we have done the major stuff and we will do the project and the git going to be done along with that. Concentrate on diff and we concentrate on the timeline, how you can go back to timeline and you're going to change any file and folder. You can reset, you can restore, you can modify, you can compare, and you have complete control of your. See you in next class. Bye bye.